The future of finance is here. Bitcoin, the digital currency that once seemed like a distant dream, has just shattered a historic barrier. It's broken the $100,000 mark. But how did we get here? Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a revolutionary idea, a decentralized digital currency. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin has officially breached the $100,000 mark. This isn't just a milestone, it's a watershed moment. It signals a seismic shift in the global financial landscape. For those who've been holding Bitcoin, this is a dream come true. But for those who've been hesitant, it's a wake-up call. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile. While the potential for massive gains is undeniable, so is the risk of substantial losses. Bitcoin's surge could disrupt the traditional financial system. It challenges the centralized control of banks and governments, offering a more decentralized and democratic approach to finance. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, but one thing is clear, it's here to stay. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater innovation and disruption. Whether you're an early adopter or a cautious observer, Bitcoin's journey is one that will shape the world for years to come. What does this mean for you? It's time to educate yourself, do your research, and make informed decisions. Remember, the future of finance is in your hands. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.